Okay, so we're moving right along to step 9 here. Step 8 was really about preparing the enclosure. I think it's pretty straightforward. So step 9, we just need to drill a hole right through the middle of this footprint here to give us some room to pass through the Wi-Fi UFL connector. So what I'm going to do first is just drill a pilot hole. It can be a little bit tricky with the drill bit skating around on the PCB, so it's probably wise to start off with a pilot hole. And basically you want it right in the middle of the white rectangle you can see right there. Okay, so we're up to the final step now, step 11. We're going to mount the PCB into the enclosure. So I've omitted the steps that involve preparing the enclosure. I think it's pretty straightforward stuff. Also you can see that I've attached the Wi-Fi antenna. So for the final step, basically what we need to do is just grab hold of the PCB and pass the UFL connector right through the hole that we drilled in the previous step. And then just snap that guy on like so. It's best to grab between your thumb and your pointer finger just to avoid pushing on the PCB. And then you should find that the PCB basically slots into the enclosure like so. And then we're going to just clamp it down using a couple of screws. So these screws only need to be tightened just enough really to hold the PCB down. Definitely recommend don't tightening those down too much. Basically you just want to stop the LCD from popping out. There's no mounting holes at the other end, you'll notice. That's taken care of by the back plate. So I've added a mounting point to this back plate. That's an optional extra. And basically, yeah, all we need to do now is put on the back plate, tighten up the screws. Okay, that's pretty much it to mechanically building the GP Meter 6. So you can optionally perform the electrical tests and the calibration if you choose to at this point. Yeah, happy DIYing, and I'll prepare another video where we'll take it for a drive in the car. Thanks for watching.